Hey YouTube, welcome back to Part-Time Fab. Today's build, we are going to create a set of wheelie bars. We probably won't get done. I think probably be two-part video because there's not a whole lot to do other than weld a few pieces together and then send the wheelie bars to the customer to let him finish measuring them out. So there might be a little bit of time in between video or part one and part two, but we're going to throw some wheelie bars together. We got to get some metal cleaned up. I've already started, got a few of the ends cleaned up and the plates cleaned up, and we're going to get to it. So let's start this video. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to start off and show you what the previous wheelie bars look like. As you can see, the customer got these wheelie bars bent a little bit and they're a little bit too short. He really wanted them to be a little bit longer. As you can see there, I needed to know what thickness the tubing was, so I cut out a small notch to let me know what that is. Here is the chrome moly that we'll be using to recreate those wheelie bars. They're going to be about 6 feet long, so they're going to be really long. There's apparently a lot of distance between the rear end and the bumper, so longer wheelie bars are definitely a must for this car. So this video is going to be a lot of welding because basically these parts came from Chassis Engineering. They were real clean. Pretty much everything was already, the bent pieces were already bent. They just needed to be cleaned up, a little bit of mill scale taken off, and then welded together. So as you can see, right here is one of the little brackets where I forget what that's called. It's where the wheel gets attached, and this is an extreme case where really thin material gets welded to very thick material. I think that material was 1/4 inch, 5/16, something like that. It was pretty thick stuff. And then the wheel housing was 1/8 inch or maybe less. It probably was 1/8 inch, but it was real difficult to weld. I turned the welder way down, and I think I'm using 045 wire. I didn't actually have any like rod that was meant for TIG welding, so I had a spool of 045 MIG wire that I used. That worked out pretty well, but as you can see, all the wire is bent. Here's a little clip. I really should have got some more footage of the pieces and what they look like, but this job was just a whole lot of welding. And I got the end where the wheel goes all welded up, and before we put the clevis to where it would attach to the rear end, the customer wants to take it and measure them and make sure everything's going to work out right before we finish welding up everything. So basically this right here is about it. Just finished welding the tubing on to those end caps, and we're going to call this one pretty much done. Just a real quick video. Thought I'd get this out. And if you like this video, again, I'll have another video just like it, and part two coming sometime this summer. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks. We'll see you next time.